Minecraft Education Edition. You see, you may think Education Edition is inferior to the actual version, but there's actually something very cool. So this is like the interface and stuff. It's a little different than the Bedrock version, but just going to say create a new one. As you can see, it's kind of the same. You got a couple new buttons. This just, I don't know what this means, but you probably do want to click that and go to operator. So recently you've been getting into coding and something called a code builder, and I'll show you what that is in a second once this world loads. Alright, so I chose this skin because I thought it was the coolest, and still haven't figured out how to get actual skins in Minecraft Education, but whatever. So if you press, so like when I first got into this game, it says press H to show controls, so I did that. I look down and I noticed C is code builder. I was like, what is code builder? Turns out you can do code. And it turns out wow, it already loves my name already. Welcome to Minecraft Scratch. But you see, it's not only Minecraft Scratch, it is also Minecraft Python. But wait, there's more. It is also Minecraft JavaScript. I don't know JavaScript, so we're just gonna stick with Python right now. But actually, look at this. You can code in things. This is the basic things. Let's see, you can place blocks, you can spawn animals, you got the player. So this is everything the player can do. So whenever you type like something in the chat, it doesn't have to be slash for some reason. I thought it was slash, but it's not. You just type it in. But anyway, whenever this item is used, meaning you have to have the item and right click, you can say hi, that's on chat, teleport, player do an action, yeah. And then over blocks, we got everything involves blocks. Place block it here. Got like see if a block is in a certain location. And yeah, as you can see, this looks very similar to Scratch. But then there's also this, which allows you to fill an area with blocks. I'll show you what that is in a second. And also what these are. I also got mobs. I haven't played around with this too much, but I do know this has something to do with entities and enchanting and getting like effects onto people. I don't know exactly what that is or that, but whatever. This is Agent. So Agent is like a little robot that is right here. Looks like a mini, very small iron golem. Look at you, you're so cute with that little red laser death in your chest. Oh man, I love him. But anyway, I don't know how to get rid of him. But of course, you can like move him using this thing, teleport the player. But yeah, so these are the things you can do. You can move, you can, I don't really get into much about this, but it looks like he has some sort of inventory, which is kind of interesting, pretty interesting. wonder if you can make some kind of learning, thing or whatever. Alright, so this is basically all the like basic command stuff, like weather, XP, stuff you do in commands, positions. These are the circly things about positions, I don't know what the heck these are, but these are loops. So, this is the thing, that this thing seamlessly transitions to JavaScript and Python. So I'll show you what that means in a second. So as you can see, we have some for loops here, which as far as I know aren't in Scratch. But say in Python, we get like a list. Let's say list equals this list. Let's do a string of a we, a string of a woo, and a string of a wee woo. A wee woo. Yes. And now what we're going to do, we are going to say in the chat. So I always forget what these things are, so I'm just going to place that there. Yeah, it's player.say. Not say list. No, actually no. I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to do n. It's an error right now. I'm going to make a for loop. For n in list tab. Alright. So yeah, I make a for loop. Players say n. When I run it, does exactly what it should. But the thing is, if we go over here to Scratch, look at this. Look at this. It's like a Python Scratch builder. I mean, let me know if there's anything like this that converts code. But, wow. I think this proves that JavaScript and Python are very similar languages. I am wondering what the equivalent of a for loop is. Okay, it's just a for loop. Alright, switch that. Wow, yeah, and I made like an element there, and a list there, so that. Okay, interesting. Array, nice. So, this is logic, basic stuff. We got if, then, else. You can do else ifs, but I don't think it allows you to do that. I have done it before though. Let's show you. So of course you got this comparisons, Boolean, you can't just say true in here, by the way. This represents a string, which is very close and more similar to Python and or Java. You have to put in these Boolean statements. And that, yeah, it's pretty much the same as Scratch. And yeah, this is variables, same as Scratch. Math, pretty much the same as Scratch. Of course, we have the round and min and max. These are very useful. What's that and? What is that? You wanna fight and? I don't know what you are. I have the fear of the unknown. Anyway, let's go to advanced. So you see, we can do functions, and yeah, I think it's pretty sure the same as Scratch. And there's arrays. If you want to get in a list, then you have to put an array there. So yeah, it's array, pretty cool. Then we have text. You can put that thing there. That's like a representation of something. You have length, things, join. You can't just put plus somewhere. You have to put this join thing. You know, some things are like pretty quickly. Some things you can do a lot quicker in here, and other things you can do a lot quicker in Python. And I'll show you that in a second. So we have builder. Don't know what this is. Maybe it's like some kind of like robot similar to the agent that, like, you know, can build things. You know, imagine if someone made a 3D printer in Minecraft. And then there's a circle. They're basically the same as like these things. This thing actually makes like a cube, and this thing makes a circle. This thing makes a sphere, and this thing makes a line. Alright, so let me show you a little thing that I have brewed up. I'm gonna delete this other thing. Just, you know, it's just another thing, you know. It's not too important. And also chicken rain, I don't know what that is. But anyway, let's open something. So, this is what I wanted to show you. It does this weird thing, by the way, where it flickers in and out of existence. That break function has broken. It is double broke. So, this is what I use the field function here. So, there's a bunch of coding mumbo jumbo. Basically, I played around with variables, and yeah, I got this thing where if it does one thing, it places this iron shovel right here is basically the equivalent of the world edit axe. Now, I'm going to fill this with like stone. Set that stone again up in place. So now, when I go in here and I oh no, I'm in survival. What should I do? Oh, it's perilous. Oh, I don't know what to do, Agent. I don't know what to do. It's just, there has to be some here, you know. I mean, it's not like, I don't know what to do, Agent. Oh, it fixed itself. Well, anyway. So I get yourself an iron shovel, a golden shovel. Yeah, so, this iron shovel. If I right click, which is considered as a use. Yes, it tilled that dirt. Just ignore that. But yes, when I right click, it with my position, I stored a variable, like a piece of code that you can like you can store information, you know. And I use this. That information is stored in this very glass block. And now it's gone. Just kidding, it's still there. And now if I right click again, guess what? I have made a giant stone block that even has a happy face. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I'm going to name you Jimmy. Now, anyway, so if I go over here, say, you know what? I like that mountain. I wish this mountain were everywhere. I wish it were just every single possible place. I wish it were just everywhere, you know. Like, I love this mountain. I love it to my core. Well, now I can have this mountain everywhere. It seems to have lost its corporeal form and have melted in some sort of tense. But hey, it's still here. And that's the thing. I copied this mountain, and I put it over here. Oh, Jimmy, what? Why are you sad? Is it 'cause I'm doing this evil laughing? Oh, don't worry, Jimmy. I'm fine. I'm fine. Aw, see? Ain't that something, Jimmy? Oh, I knew that you would love my evil laugh. What do you mean you're confused? I mean, you just okay. I know I didn't mean that. I know I'm not making any sense right now, but the point is that I am not evil, and just forget everything that I said, okay? Okay, just forget everything. Okay, mind white. Completely. Utterly. Just, the, well, don't look at me like this, uh, oh, don't look at me like that. Who brought you into this world? Who brought you to life? I did. I, did. Wait, what was your name again? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. If you want any more questions, I'll be happy to answer them. But please note that I am not a professional in any sort of way. I promise you. I'm seriously, I just got into this like a couple days ago. I don't know what I'm doing. And neither should you. But if you do have any questions, then I'll try my absolute darndest to help you. Thank you. And goodbye. 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 Why haven't you left yet? I swear, most people would have clicked off by now. Oh, I know it. You just want to know if there's something at the end, do you? Well, I mean, gosh, I can't disappoint. Honestly, I can't disappoint. So, yeah, well, I guess. Ah! Jimmy! Was that his name? Oh. Oh. He's dead. He's dead. Oh, what have I ever done to you, Jimmy? Oh, I can still see his poor little angry grin. Oh. Oh, it's unbearable. Oh, I can't watch. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Bye.